Assalamu alaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to B-Rolls, people. We are out here in the mountains. Make these beautiful, clean 150 scale Bajas dirty. So it's a nice spot. Arish is preparing all the radios. Fuel is ready, Arish? Yep, fuel is ready. Let's fill them up. So Mr. Hadi, start filling up the buggies, please. Come on. And do remember, after opening, don't put it on the ground because it can get dirty. Put it here. Okay, and don't spill the oil, all right? Keep it clean. Move. Still working. Still working. It's more than enough, I think. We won't get the buggies too far. The buggies, radios are working. Man, this is what you're gonna love about this, because these are FSGT3B radios. They're actually very nice, mashallah. Good range, good range. We say Asr prayers and then we start driving, okay? Let's get these dirty. Yeah. All right, now pull the starter 1 or 2 times, but remember this starter has a slack. So first pull it up. Once you have no slack, yeah, then yank it. One more time. All right, it's popping. Choke up, choke up. My babies are learning to use. Ready? Yank it, boy. Harder. One more. Coming. One more. Yay! You did it. Go. Go, go, go. Keep going, keep going. Oh, do remember they don't have reverse, okay? That these don't have reverse, okay? So don't get yourself in a situation where it cannot reverse. Let it come straight. Idle. Straight. Idle. Idle, okay? Turn. Not going full throttle, right? Oh, that's great. Okay, my babies are doing all the job. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. They are doing all the job. Okay, it's popping, it's popping. Yeah, put up. Harder. Yeah, coming. More. Nice and dirty. Okay, Arish, how do you look at the air filter? Do you think we need to clean it? Yes. Definitely, right? Good. But look at that, mashallah, lots of power still. One thing I realized when you were driving, that when you're driving, when the buggy goes right, then it will donut. So remember the rule. If it is drifting right, you will do left steering. Look what Hadi found here. A rock with metal on it. Still growing on it. Look at that. We'll take it home. So, how do you like your buggy?
Good.
So, it's driving very well at the moment. Let me show it to you how dirty these are now. Mashallah, they are driving very well. So we have done the braking, the alishanmao way, quick to drive and safe for the engines, alhamdulillah. And next we're gonna tune them for low end to high end and the full throttle, and then we will see what these buggies can do. Oh, that is some good range on this radio, my man. Perfect to stop. Now Irish learned, right? Mashallah, he's doing a very good control. Hasta la próxima. Viva la gasolina.